Did you know that flax seeds have been cultivated for thousands of years and were even used as medicine in ancient times, or that they're one of the richest sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids? Today, we'll cover 6 powerful reasons to include flax seeds in your meals. Plus, share a quick and healthy recipe idea to kickstart your flax seeds journey. But before we start, don't forget to follow my channel to never miss upcoming videos about the health features of ingredients in your plate. So here are 6 reasons to add flax seeds to your diet. The first reason to include flax seeds in your diet is their high omega-3 content, which has been linked to reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and better brain function. In addition to omega-3s, flax seeds are rich in lignans, a type of phytoestrogen that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. They're also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. Number 3. When it comes to nutrition, flax seeds are an excellent source of fiber, with just 2 tablespoons providing around 6 grams of fiber. This can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, as well as supporting healthy digestion. Number 4. Flax seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels. They are high in soluble fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The next reason is that flax seeds can support healthy skin and hair. They are a good source of essential fatty acids, which are important for maintaining healthy skin and hair. They can also help reduce inflammation, which can improve the appearance of skin conditions like acne and eczema. And finally, flax seeds have been traditionally used to alleviate stomach pain, gastritis, and other digestive issues. This is because they're high in mucilage, a gel-like substance that can help soothe the lining of the digestive tract and reduce inflammation. Some studies have suggested that consuming flax seeds regularly may help relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive disorders. It's important to be aware that flax seeds may have some restrictions for certain individuals. For instance, they may interfere with the absorption of certain medications, so it's always advisable to consult with your doctor if you're taking any medication regularly. Furthermore, flax seeds are high in calories, so it's crucial to consume them in moderation to avoid any potential negative effects on your health. Using flax seeds is straightforward. You can try adding them to your morning smoothie for an extra boost of nutrition. Blend some frozen berries, almond milk, a banana, and a tablespoon of ground flax seeds for a delicious and filling breakfast. In conclusion, there are many powerful reasons to include flax seeds in your diet. They're a great source of omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants, and have been linked to numerous health benefits. Just remember to consume them in moderation and talk to your doctor if you're taking any medication regularly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more informative content like this.